Hi, this is Andrew from Paragon Slide Cabinets, the original microslide cabinet for over 60 years and is a staple in pathology, histology, and dermatology labs nationwide. Today, we're talking about the differences between our compressor follow blocks and memorandum markers versus our competitors and why Paragon is the leader in the space. Now, memorandum markers indicate the place from which a slide has been removed, and they assure quick refiling and proper sequencing of your slide. From our extensive research and speaking with many different hospital pathology and histology labs and facilities around the country, here are some of the challenges lab technicians faced in archiving microscope slides with memorandum markers. Most competitors use cheap paper that will bend or is too flimsy. They tend to smudge when writing on them and produce fingerprints, which leads to wasted paper and lab technicians not being able to read the slide information properly. Markers were lost, and long-term slide archiving organizations suffered due to tracking down the lost tabs. After gaining all that feedback from our customers and the competition, we designed our Paragon memorandum markers with durable, specially coated paperboard, not cheap, flimsy paper compared to the competition. This has resulted in cost savings for our customers not having to replace the markers as often and increased productivity due to not having to redo any slide sequencing. Our Paragon memorandum markers come in a box of 1,000 or individually sorted in a pack of 100. Now next we have the follow blocks. Follow blocks are designed to keep slides snug and upright when the drawer is not full for 3x1 slides. After speaking with many pathology and histology labs around the country, here are some of the challenges lab technicians face in archiving microscope slides with compressor follow blocks. Most competitors use cheap, flimsy blocks that don't hold the slides in place. They either get stuck in the drawer or it's hard to place them back in the slide drawer. When the follow block fails, this leads to added costs replacing them. Now remember, glass slides are sharp, so if the follow block fails, that can lead to broken slides or worse, someone getting hurt on the job. They can also lead to damaged slides that cannot be used in the future. With all this research in mind, we designed our Paragon C109 compressor follow blocks with superior natural rubber, not cheap plastic foam like the competition. This has helped our customers keep the slides in place for long-term archiving, less damages to slides, and has kept costs down on having to replace the follow blocks. Our follow blocks are sold in packs of 10. If you have any questions about compressor follow blocks or memorandum markers, please call us today. Thank you.